family, welcome back to our Bible studies. The time of the night when we share the word of Elohim with you, and today's scripture is Psalm 5 verse 11. But let all who take refuge in you be glad. Let them ever sing for joy. Spread your protection over them, that those who love your name may rejoice in you. Psalm 5 verse 11. Empa ba o tshepileng kaofela ba tla thaba ba be ba nyakalle ka ho sa yeng kae hobane o tla ba sireletsa ba ratang lebitso la hao ba tla nyakallela wena. In the name of Yeshua Mashiach, the Son of the living God, we bless you, family, spirit, soul, and body. Don't forget to like and share and comment and subscribe and follow. Please follow us at YouTube #Team Mawela. Have a blessed night, family. See you again tomorrow. Bye.